Want to launch your own 1mg or PharmEasy-like app? With Royo Apps, you can get your branded pharmacy app live in just 2 weeks. We've successfully built 30 plus pharmacy and medicine delivery solutions across global markets, offering both ready-to-launch white label platforms and fully custom built. Plus, we can supercharge your app with advanced AI-powered features like smart prescription scanning, personalized medicine recommendations, etc. From prescription uploads and medicine orders to lab test bookings and doorstep delivery, our white label pharmacy app has everything your customers need in one app. Let's take a quick look at the customer app, delivery app, and powerful admin panel that keeps you in full control. When a customer installs the app, they are greeted with the login screen. If they don't have an account yet, they can quickly create one. Just enter the basic details. And if they've got a referral code, they can add it during the sign up. Once done, they are ready to explore. So this is the pharmacy customer application we have with us. On top left corner, you'll see the logo of your company. Then we have several categories of pharmacy supplies here, be it health devices, baby care products, personal care, health and nutrition, and Ayurvedic products. Coming down, you can see the listings of new products on the platform, selected products, featured products, single category products, on sale products, most popular products, recently viewed products, and we also have an option to explore several pharmacy owners on the platform. In case the customer wants to search for any product, vendor or item, he can click on the search option and do so. Coming to the next section, that is cart. So the item that has been added by the customer to the cart will be displayed here. Then we have order section. Under order section, we have active orders showing all the active orders placed by the customer. Past order shows the entire history of orders placed by the customer on the platform. Then comes my account. On top, the customer can look for his personal details. He can change his name, email, phone number. He also has an option to change the password and address as well. Then comes my orders. The customer can look for his active orders and past orders on the platform. Then we have subscriptions here. So all the subscription plans opted by the customer will be displayed here. Then we have loyalty points. So the loyalty points earned by the customer on the platform will be displayed here, including the information about the points spent as well. Coming to the next section, that is wallet. The customer can view his available balance on the app's wallet. He also has an option to view the transaction history and add money to the wallet as well as transfer funds. We have wish list option here. So all the items that have been added by the customer on his wish list will be displayed under this section. We have join us here, so the customer can view the vendor registration, privacy policies, terms and conditions of the application here. Then we have settings option. The customer can also change the app into dark theme mode, and he has an option to change the currency and language as well. We have contact us option here, so in case the customer has any concern or issue regarding the application, he can click on contact us and do so. We have my stores option here, then comes stores chat, driver chat, vendor chat, and then we have lastly user chat. Now I'll show you how a customer can place an order through this application. Let's go to the home page. Let's click on any of the categories. I'm choosing baby care here. So I can see several baby care products here. As I clicked on the category, I'm clicking on baby body lotion here. So I can see the product description as well as the image of the product. And in case I want to add multiple lotions, I have an option to do so. So now I'm clicking on add the product and a pop-up has appeared. A pop-up has appeared that my product has been successfully added to the cart. Now we'll move to the cart page. So this is the cart page. On top, I'll see the address where the product has to be delivered at. I also have an option to edit the address as well. Then I see the product information that has been added to the cart. In case the customer wants to add any special instructions, he can do so. And in case the customer wants to offer any convenience fee, he can do so. Then comes the billing summary, and I'm choosing the payment method right now because it is a prototype, so I'm clicking on cash on delivery. The option to schedule the order for any particular date or time is also available, but currently I'm clicking on place order. A pop-up has appeared that my product has been successfully placed, and I'm clicking on view detail, and the entire order detail is displayed here. So this was basically the customer application. Now we'll move to the driver application. So this is the driver application. The map view shows the area within which the driver is performing tasks. On top, you'll see a toggle option. Once the driver switches it off, that means he's off duty, and once he enables this option, that means he's ready to perform the tasks now. So under today's task, he'll see all the tasks to be performed by the driver today, and under all the tasks performed by the driver through the application. Then let's go to task history here. Under task history, the driver will be able to see the history of tasks performed by him, including the earnings made, cash collected, the date and time of task performed, and he can view his earning here as well. Then we have profile. So the driver has an option to view his personal details. Moving to next part, we have settings here. The driver can change the language for the application through this option. Then we have wallet. The driver can view his lifetime earnings made through the wallet as well as the current balance. An option to add money to the wallet is also available. We have payout request. Then the driver can view his past payout request here, including the available funds. Then we have contact us. So in case the driver wants to get in touch with us for any sort of reason, he can click on this option. Then we have support and logout option here. So this was basically the driver application. Now we'll move to the admin panel. Welcome to the admin panel. This is the dashboard section of the admin panel, which basically shows the 360 view of your business, which includes information about the customers on the platform, orders placed, pharmacy owners, total revenue earned, products, managers, and you also see a graphical information about the revenue earned monthly, weekly, revenue by location. Coming to the next section, that is orders. So it will display the entire information about the orders placed on the platform so far. Once the order is placed through the application, the admin has the right to manually accept or reject the order, and the pending orders, the active orders on the platform, order history, everything will be displayed here. Coming to the next section, that is pharmacy owners. Under this section, you'll see the information about the pharmacy owners on the platform, including the total pharmacy owners, open pharmacy owners, total products, total active orders. As you can see on the screen, the entire pharmacy owners list is available. Then we have accounting section. So under accounting section, we have vendor payment report first. Here you can generate a vendor payment report from the start date as well as end date, and then you can click on generate report to analyze the accounting information about the vendor payments. Then we have order section. Under order section, the admin has the right to see all the order details on the platform, including the total order value, total orders, total cash to be collected, total delivery fees. Then we have loyalty points. So all the accounting information regarding the loyalty points used on the platform will be displayed here, which will give information about the type of loyalty points applied, total loyalty points earned, total loyalty points spent, unique orders. Then comes promo codes. So the accounting information about the promo codes used on the platform will be displayed here, which includes the information about admin paid total, vendor paid total, promo code uses, unique users to use promo code. Then comes taxes here. Analytical information about the taxes applied on the platform will be displayed here, including the type of taxes, including the types of taxes applied, total tax collected. Then we have pharmacy owners. So accounting details about the pharmacy owners will be displayed here, as you can see on the screen, which will provide information about total order value, total delivery fees, total admin commissions. Then we have payout requests. So the analytical information about the payout request made on the platform will be displayed here, including total order value, total available funds, pending payout value, completed payout value. Lastly, we have subscription discount. So the accounting information about the subscriptions on the platform will be displayed here, including total subscription discount on admin's account, subscription discount on pharmacy owner's account. Coming to the next section, that is subscription. Under subscription, we have customers. So what all subscription plans has been opted by the customer on the application will be managed here in the backend, and the admin has a right to add the subscription plan as well. Then comes pharmacy owners. Similarly, as customers, the subscription plans opted by the pharmacy owners will be displayed here and managed here in the backend. Then comes customers. Under customers, you can see the entire list of customers on the platform so far, including the active user count, inactive user count, social login count. Then comes reports. Under reports, we have product reviews here. So what reviews the product have been getting on the platform can be managed here in the backend. Then we have product performance report. It basically shows how your products are performing on the platform. The pie chart here displays the product performances, and you can filter out the product performance as per top 10, top 20, top 50, top 100 products also. Then comes admin service area here. You can manage service location from this section, and this is further connected with GeoFence. The admin has an option to add service area as well. Then we have chat option. You can track the user vendor chat and user driver chat through this option. Next section is settings here. Under settings, we have profile here first. So the admin can set up his organization details, including light theme logo, dark theme logo. Then he can change his personal details like name, email, contact number, and so on. Then we have customize section here. Under customize section, the admin has a right to do the localization regarding the date, time, and currency. He can set up the delivery time estimated, whether he wants the delivery to be in kilometers or miles. Then we have languages and currency here, and the vendor type option here. So the admin can choose what vendor type he wants to offer on the platform. Then comes links. Admin can customize several links on the platform, including custom domain link, Android, iOS link, social media links. Then comes nomenclature option. So under this, the admin can keep a different name for a particular category. We have user onboarding. Then under user onboarding, we have user authentication, that how the user will authenticate himself on the platform once he logs in. We have vendor registration document. Under vendor registration document, it will tell that what all documents will be required by the vendor to register himself on the platform. Similarly, user registration documents, what all documents will be required by the user to register himself on the platform. Then we have some miscellaneous option here, which includes order email notification, refer and earn, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, slotting, and order scheduling. Then comes the next section, that is styling. Under styling, we have app styling. So how do you want to style your app will be determined under this. The admin can choose the required font styles, color pickle style, tab bar styles. We have tutorial images to choose from, and the admin can choose the home page style here. Then comes home page. So what categories the admin wants to display on the home page of the application, he can select from here. Similarly, we have web styling, how the admin wants to style the website. He can choose his required favicon, admin sign up image, color, and what icons he wants to show on the website, he can choose it from here. Then we have homepage style. The admin can choose list of homepage styles to be displayed on the website. Then we have payment method icons, what payment method icons the admin wants to display on the website. Similarly, for order delivery status icons also. Then comes homepage. So what categories the admin wants to show on the homepage of the website can be chosen from here. Next comes content management system. Under content management system, we have pages here first. So what pages the admin wants to show on the application can be displayed here, be it FAQs, terms and conditions, privacy policies. Then comes emails. What push emails the admin wants to show through the application can be managed here. Then we have notifications. What notifications the admin wants to send to the customer on the platform can be displayed, can be managed here. Then we have SMS. So what SMS the admin wants to send to the customers can be managed here. Lastly, we have reasons. So all the feedback given by the customer regarding the products can be viewed here under the reason section. Coming to the next section, that is catalog. So catalog basically describes what all categories are applied on the platform. You can add several number of categories to your platform, and an option to add the categories also available here, as you can see on the screen. In case you want to add any variant, brand, tags or add-ons set to your categories, you can also do so. Coming to configurations next, we have hyperlocal configuration here. By enabling hyperlocal, as a user you can see the nearby vendors. Then we have vendor delivery option, payment options. Also, you can do configuration regarding the social logins, whether you want it through Facebook, Twitter, Google or Apple. Then comes maps, SMS, emails configuration. So here basically we can integrate any third-party API for SMS, emails or maps. Then we have Firebase notification configuration, customer support, SOS. Coming to the next section, that is tax. It will give information about the taxes that are applied on the platform, which will give information regarding the tax category and the tax rate applied. And the admin also has an option whether he wants to keep the price inclusive of tax or not. An option to add tax category is also available. Then comes payment options. What payment options the admin wants to display on the platform can be chosen from here. Then we have managed delivery. Under managed delivery, we have delivery options. So what delivery options the admin wants to choose for the application can be displayed here. Then we have delivery slots. So what delivery slots the admin wants to keep for the application can be chosen from here. Then we have manage roles option here. You can manage types of roles and permissions for the sub admin, and an option to add role is also available here. Then we have cache control. So you can manage homepage cache data of the application from here. Coming to the next section, that is marketing, and under marketing we have banners. So let's go to web banners first. So banners are basically displayed on the homepage of the application or website. An option to edit or delete the banners will be available here. In case the admin wants to add any banner, he has an option to do so. Similarly for mobile banners, so here the admin gets a right to choose from the banners to be displayed to the customer application. Then comes promo codes. So it will basically give information about the promo codes being used by the customers on the platform. An option to add promo code is also there. Then we have loyalty points. It will basically give information about the loyalty plans or points used by the customer on the application. An option to choose the value of the loyalty points is also given here. Then we have campaigns. So basically you can manage the campaigns running on the platform through this option. An option to add campaign is there. So this was basically the admin panel with us. Now we'll move to the dispatcher panel. This is the dispatcher panel that we have with us. The map view that you can see on the screen. The blue dots indicate the drivers that are operating under a particular area. And on the left side you see all the tasks assigned to the drivers as well as unassigned tasks. And the information about the online and offline drivers will also be available here. Then we have route section. So instead of automatic automatically allotting the tasks to the drivers, the admin can also manually allot the tasks to the drivers. And information about the pending assignments, active orders, active customers, active delivery drivers will be displayed here. Then we have driver accountancy. So under driver accountancy, all the details of the delivery boys, including their commission details, will be shown here. Coming to the next section, that is agent. Under agent we have teams here. You can allot your drivers to certain teams, or you can say clusters. By doing this, it would be easier for you to manage your drivers as per the locations, and an option to add team is also there. Then we have delivery drivers. So the personal details about the drivers will be available here, as you can see on the screen. Information including total delivery drivers who are freelancers, employees, approved delivery drivers, unapproved delivery drivers will be shown here. Then we move to the next section, that is setting. Under settings we have profile here. So the admin can change his profile details like organization details, and an option to change the name, email, contact number, company address is also here. Then we have customize section here. Under customize, the entire nomenclature and localization will be done. And then we have attributes section. Also, what task completion proofs that you want to keep, you can choose it from here, be it for pickup, drop, appointment. Then we have managers option here. You can create, view, edit, add and delete the managers if there are any in your organization. An option to add manager is also available. Next comes subscription option. So all the subscription plans being opted by the drivers can be managed here in the backend, including the total subscribed delivery drivers, total subscribed delivery drivers in percentage as well. Then comes payout request. So all the information about the payout request made for the drivers will be displayed here. Information regarding total order value, pending payout value, total completed payout value will be displayed here. Then comes payment options. So what payment options you want to keep on the driver application can be managed here. Then comes geofence. Geofence basically tells the area within which the driver operates his tasks. An option to edit the geofence is also there. We have auto allocation then. So here there are several options to automatically allocate tasks to the drivers. First option is one by one. So under this method, allocation will be done one by one for the drivers. Then we have send to all method. The allocation request will be sent to all the drivers under a particular region. Then we have batch wise method. So allocation request will be done batch wise to the drivers. And lastly, we have the round robin method. So the allocation request for the drivers will be done in the round robin format here. We have pricing rules section here. Here the admin can manage the pricing rules to be displayed on the platform, which will include base price, base duration, base distance, and an option to add pricing rules is also mentioned here. Then comes configure section. So configuration regarding the map, SMS, emails can be done here. We have an option to configure regarding FCM, API access token and custom domain. Then we have configuration regarding delivery drivers, what options you want to display on the application. Delivery drivers registration documents, what documents will be required by the drivers to register themselves on the platform. We have refer and earn configuration, delivery drivers rating types configuration, driver review question configuration, and some miscellaneous option which includes dashboard, home style page, customer support, custom mods, warehouse, batch allocation, threshold. Then comes content management system, and we have pages here first. So what pages will be displayed under the driver application, be it terms and conditions, privacy policies. Then we have emails here. What push emails you want to send to the drivers can be managed here. Then similarly for the SMS, what SMS shall be displayed to the drivers on the platform can be managed here. Then we have analytics section. So the entire analytics regarding the platform earning, delivery drivers earning, orders, delivery drivers will be shown here. Proper agent analytics can also be seen from this option. And then we have heat maps here. Here you can see under what area you're getting the maximum orders. Then we have a chart view of analytics as well. And lastly, delivery drivers and customers. And that's our pharmacy app solution. Fast, reliable, and 100% tailored to your brand. With over a decade of experience and thousands of launches worldwide, we know how to help you scale your healthcare business. Ready to get started? Book your free consultation today and let's build your pharmacy app with Royo Apps.